Hey guys, look who I'm here with. It's Box Van Dee.
We're having a great meetup.
Yes, we are.
Yes,
We're having a meetup. And I got to tour her nice box van, and it's amazing. She did such an amazing job.
Still has a long way to go, but it's getting there.
No, it's great. It's really nice.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
Okay, we are here with Dee, and we are doing a tour of van.
Mom's truck,
Yeah.
where they have all kinds of communication equipment and stuff
Yeah.
in, and a lot of them they don't have passenger seats.
I think this was in the Navy, was on the base. That's what it was, like a transporter,
Yeah.
something for transporting stuff on the base. So let me see if I can get this unlocked. Apparently. So it was in the military, and I did a video about that. Some guy knew all about this vehicle.
Oh, really?
So,
Wow.
so there's my garage.
Will you come organize my garage? It's nice.
See, I had a friend help me put that air conditioner
Right.
in there. They have, you know, for the condensation.
Yeah.
It has a tube that goes down through here, off to the side, and it comes right out here. This is caulked, so it won't catch the wood. It gotta go under the wood, so it'll just flow outside.
Yeah, exactly. And it doesn't make
Right.
that much condensation, does it?
No, actually, I haven't used it enough.
Yeah.
I haven't used the air conditioner more than
A couple
30
times.
hours at the most, probably.
Yeah, exactly.
So I had this big cargo box here.
Yep.
The problem was the cargo box, in order to be able to open the doors, I had to have that hitch reversed.
Taken off.
No, reversed, so it could lower the cargo box.
Oh.
So the problem was, because it was low, every time we went through a driveway, everything would
Scraping?
drag. Every time. So that was a real problem.
That's going to be a problem with us maybe too in the van. Now that I
Only if
think
I'm
about
riding in the back.
So see, here's another problem. This is really loose. For some reason, I don't know why they put the holes back too far. Something. It's too loose when it bounces around.
Yeah, that's the 2-inch receiver
Yeah,
and the 2-inch insert.
it's
There's a
both.
little gap in there.
I don't like it, but it is what it is.
Yeah, it'll rattle.
Yeah, and I could put like a bicycle rack on
Yeah,
here. That's what
exactly.
I'm thinking. That's why I got the double. Okay.
Yeah.
So I could do it either way. But yeah, it's rattly. I'm gonna get a generator. I couldn't lift the generator into the box. Too heavy,
Right?
too high. So I said I could lift it a 45-pound barely generator into this box and leave it in the box to run.
Right?
That's true because
Because
it's open.
if it was a box, I can't leave it in there,
Yeah,
right?
to run.
No
You got to
air.
open.
Right, but with this open like this, I can vent it away from the truck,
Yeah.
and I can run it out of here without having to pull it
Yeah,
in and
exactly.
out. Okay?
'Cause she'll
So
be
that's why I
boondocking.
cut the box off. So also I put holes in the box so that if it does get rain, it will drain.
Drain it out.
Good idea.
Okay, then I said I had this on the back of the, what is
The
that
bumper?
called? The bumper. And I said, okay, until I get the generator, I might as well haul it on here.
Yep.
Okay, so I
What's in the-
really,
What's in the bag?
that's my gazebo.
Ah, good
Oh,
job.
nice.
The gazelle,
Yep.
like a clam, not as expensive, not as good. It really, this is too big for
We
me.
were looking at a clam.
Hard to put
I'm
up.
gonna give it away probably eventually here.
We're looking at getting a clam, but we need something
Yeah.
easy to put up.
I want the 72 by 72. I think this is 140
Okay,
by
too big?
something. too big for me.
Yeah.
Physically, I have a lot of trouble handling this by myself. So I need to get a smaller one.
That garage
Another
is
thing I
amazing.
need to do is figure out a way to not have to haul this tire inside.
Exactly.
It takes up a lot of space, but it's okay for now.
It's supposed to go underneath, isn't it?
Yeah, but I don't have a tire rack
Happened
on
to
there.
us.
That's what we are working on right this moment.
Well, you can see I pretty much have everything, all my tools. But look at what I have to do. Every time I have to get something down,
You gotta get the
I have
ladder.
to climb up here. And this is shaky, of course.
Oh my goodness.
Right,
Yeah.
I have to do this. And then I have to be careful because I can't use both hands.
Right?
Yeah, dangerous.
I could fall, okay?
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Right, and it is. And I've slipped and been uncomfortable a few times. So here's the next thing I'm going to do. I already bought the vents. So I'm going to take these windows out of here.
And
I'm
replace
going to
them?
put a screen on the
Vents.
inside and the vents on the outside so that I can get ventilation for the air conditioner. Otherwise, I have to leave the doors open.
Yeah.
If the winds blow, especially if they blow hard, I can't control those doors. So the only way I can control the doors is have them closed. And then if I have all 4 of the glass out and vents on every one of them,
That'll be enough.
should be enough. I do have a little vent up there, but no air
Yeah.
really. So I think that's the best thing I could do for ventilation. Because you have to have ventilation for the air conditioner.
It's got to be able to suck air.
It gets too hot. Especially I live in the heat, right? You know.
Arizona.
Oh, well,
So, okay.
Arizona doesn't get hot, though.
No. No, not much more than California.
Right,
story.
not here.
And this is a 97?
This is 97. I put new tires on last year. I had to replace the whole front end, all the
Underneath?
armature
Yeah.
and everything, all that. You probably can't see them.
No.
I have the toilet right there, and that's my pots and pans drawer and my stove with an oven. This is really nice.
That is.
And I have more storage back there and on top of the wheel wells on both sides too. I have a Wave 6 heater in here.
Wow.
Really too much, but then another thing I have to do is redo my windows someday.
Here we are
Okay.
inside of Box Van Dee's.
It's still a work in progress. I'm trying to get it fixed up cute, but I have a lot to do, a lot of work to make it cute. But see the banners? Guess who made those?
Oh, I love those.
That was a
banners.
prize I won with Honey and Me.
Oh, it's so cute.
She made these specifically with the colors that I had on my curtains in mine and the elephants, because I told her I like elephants. So it's
cute.
really hot in here. I'm sorry. So I left that
it is,
back
though.
shelf up there. This is my nightstand over
It's
here.
so nice.
And I just
Oh wow, these cabinets are really nice too.
I tried to put clips in there. The ledges are not deep enough. I wanted to use clips to secure them, but I said, okay, these work just like that. So look how roomy they are.
That is awesome. They're great.
They are. I love them.
Those are great.
Let's turn a light on.
Are
You
these
can get a
new?
better video. The cabinets
Yeah,
are.
they're
Everything
new.
in here is pretty much
Yeah.
new. Countertop.
Oh wow, that's nice too.
Yeah. What I did is double stick tape, put this stuff on here. And of course you can't see this sink. It's so full of stuff.
That's how we all travel with
But
stuff in
that's
our
my new faucet. Like I said, it doesn't work. Maybe I have to put a clip. Look at the deep
Nice.
sink.
That is amazing.
And look at the strainer down there.
Wow, that's
And the
really
pot comes
nice.
right out like that. So I don't have to worry
I
about
love
garbage.
how deep it is. Ours isn't this deep.
Yeah, I love it. So that's for now. And my little sink pan still
that's
working for rinsing.
Yeah, that's great.
I put in a magnetic, actually a pan that works for different things, and at wall splash, so that if I splatter water
You got a
won't
pretty
matter.
nice refrigerator size
Oh,
too.
this is really nice. I'll show you.
There's a
It's still
beast.
pretty much empty, but
But
because
it's a nice and big one.
like I say, I'm in travel mode, so that's a huge freezer.
It is. That's a huge freezer.
For a RV.
Yeah.
It's 240 watts. That's the only problem I have to worry about if they're gonna
Holds
use,
a lot.
if I'm gonna have enough power to run it all the time. I built
Okay.
this medicine cabinet
Oh, that's nice.
and just put a little trim things to
Yeah,
catch
that's
the.
nice.
So
The cabinets are really nice.
I love the cabinets. I do love.
It's a freaking little RV.
It
It
is.
is pretty much.
It's made into an RV.
So I put these bottles down here for the fresh water, 6-gallon bottles. The only problem is I can't lift them still, just like I couldn't before.
That's
So I had to carry 1-gallon bottles to fill them.
yeah.
Okay.
That's a pain. Huh?
But this gray water system works out great. It's so ugly, but I have to paint it. But I just take it out
Yeah,
and
just
dump it every day.
yeah.
So easy.
Yeah, that's way
Very easy.
Way easy.
Yeah. So I just bungeed this stuff in so it. I was hoping I wouldn't have to have bungees, but I found these drawers all slide out.
Yeah.
And what I'm going to do is build little wood blocks on with screws. Then I could turn them and keep these from coming out
Yeah.
and paint them. You know,
But
something
still,
like
it's
that.
so nice.
Yeah.
You did a really
So
good
I
job.
do have a blue screen, a curtain that goes across here. If I want to do a blue screen
Oh yeah.
instead of a green screen.
Yeah, the blue screen.
But it's going to be a hassle for do that.
But look,
so-
it's a nice little twin bed and everything.
Yeah, it's actually only 28 inches
Inches.
wide, but that's plenty for me.
Yeah.
Plenty for one person. So see all the shelves down there?
But this is super
storage.
roomy.
Yeah, and this here is it really slide easy. I just put the furniture sliders
that
on the
works.
bottoms, so that holds a lot of stuff.
That's a great tip.
And then this here, same thing on the toilet. Look how easy
Oh,
it slides
wow.
out. And the same thing on my compost bin. It's on sliders,
Compost.
so it pulls out really easy. I do need to put a little
came
handle
out
on that.
so easy.
So it really is easy enough.
Well, that's what I'm gonna do
So
too.
this here is just turning.
Super
So that
good.
is really making it really easy for the toilet and the pots and pans, because you don't want it to stick on the rug and slide
Yeah,
hard.
that's exactly
Don't want to
what the
have to
problem
deal
is.
with the weight. So I have storage here, but I just can't get to the storage on the both sides. I can't get to it. What I want to do, I don't know if I can show you. It may have to be done someday. Someday, you know how some days come?
Yeah.
But someday I would like to take this board out, cut it right here with this line, all the way back, and put it on piano hinges
Yeah, we could.
on both ends so that I can lift it and get access to the
That's
stuff
what
there.
we're gonna need to do to ours too. We have a spot like
Use
that.
the air conditioner. I would have to sleep with my head down there.
Yeah, it's okay.
You know, not a problem really,
Yeah.
because I can sleep at either end.
Yeah, this is really well done. It's roomy in here.
And I put a little bookshelf here.
It's so roomy.
It is so hot in here though. Right now
Yeah,
I'm
it is.
sweating.
It is, but it's really well done.
Thanks.
Oh, I gotta get the electrical picture.
Oh, that's a mess.
But that's
What I
okay.
do have some white tape that I'm gonna put over that. Try to clean it up a little. I haven't learned how to fly
The
this.
drone. I don't know how to do it.
I still
either.
can't fly it. I crash it every
Every
time
time.
I try.
But that's so cute. It's up there on the ceiling.
You know, Nomadic Hippie sent that
Oh,
to
you
me.
did?
Yes.
How cool is that?
And see my little picture?
I love
Every
that.
journey in life begins with a little faith.
I love that. That's so
And I
great.
do have a dog. I have a
That's your dog.
doggy.
I got you. That's your pet right there.
Little hot dog.
Oh my gosh, that is the cutest. It is. That is the cutest. I zoomed in.
And the only knickknacks I brought in here, okay, is my clock, my rooster clock, my one elephant,
I love that
and the other elephant with the
lion.
lions. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I don't have room for a lot of knickknacks. I haven't
Oh, the
decided
knife.
what I'm going to
I was
do
gonna
with
say
this
the
wall.
knife thing is really nice too.
Yes.
Yeah, look
So
at that.
my ex-husband
magnetics.
sent me that night rack. It's strong.
So
Nothing
say,
falls when I
that's
travel.
awesome. So nice.
Yeah.
I love it. You did such a good job, Dee.
So I got the curtains, but
It's so
It's so open.
yeah.
when it's
actually-
clean and organized, if you're comfortable.
Yeah, look, she's
Okay,
got a
when I
seat
called,
here.
when Derek called me today, I was sitting here. I had this pulled out. I'm
So
gonna.
you can work right
I
there.
have to put a stop on the back of that so it won't do
all
this.
the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
But when I pulled that out, I can set my drink and food on there. Okay,
Yeah,
whatever.
You could put a little laptop.
Or I can pull my chair forward, and I also have this one.
Oh wow, look at that.
So this is gonna be my desk.
Great.
So I can have an extra prep area.
Yeah,
That's what I really wanted that for.
It's really well done.
This here is really nice. I didn't show you anybody this. This here down on the drain is just screw on.
Right.
And it has a long hose and go right in your gray water tank. Whatever you're going to use for gray
Yeah.
water. Just goes right on the sink.
Easy.
Very easy.
Super easy.
Yeah.
She built all this.
Yeah, every bit of, I put this carpet in. It's cheap
Everything.
indoor, outdoor.
That's nice.
$20 for the whole thing.
Yeah, it's like
Durable and easy to keep.
Yeah.
well done.
I don't have energy to make any more drawers. I made these. But I
Yes.
ran out of steam and wood.
You're way handier. You're super
I
handy.
built this at the stove on.
Oh yeah, the stove. I want to
Yeah.
get a good one of that because that's amazing for a.
And
Look at that.
I built that shelf to put the fridge on.
Yeah. Oh,
And then it won't go anywhere. This is blocking it. Slide out and I use the bungees to close the doors. And then same thing, have the block here.
your stove is impressive though. You can bake.
I love this stove. It's a camp chef.
Yeah, and it looks like
Only thing is the automatic starters or automatic lighters don't work all the time. But it's great.
you
I
can
just
light it.
use a lighter. Yeah. Yeah. So I have a propane hose to this heater, and I have a separate hose to the stove. The reason I did that was if one runs out of propane, if I have them both connected together, only nothing will work, okay? So if I connect them separately, if one runs out, I can heat the truck even
That's
if the other one runs out for a little while till I go get more propane.
super
So that's
smart.
why I did that. Kept them on separate. I do have a vent. It pulls heat out. I
Oh,
could
right
have, yeah, I could have had that on right now. Didn't think would be a lot cooler in here. The lights don't put out any heat. It's just hot in here because I haven't
It's
had it open.
Bakersfield. Well, it's Bakersfield.
Well, I haven't had anything
Yeah.
open, so
Yeah.
it's all closed up. And I don't finishing on the front of the truck, so I've been running 2 fans while I drive.
Oh wow.
It's
That's
hot.
hot.
Like,
too.
what is the temperature in here? Right now it's 100 degrees.
Yeah.
Degrees in here.
See, 100,
Yeah.
which is usually
Almost
fine.
what it is outside.
Yeah.
Stickers up. This one is peeling really bad. New Horizon. Maybe she'll send me a new one.
Yeah. Cute.
Yeah. But I do have a bunch of them. I don't know if I have your guys. Do you have one?
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Okay.
So here's what our sticker looks like. If you want one, just email us your address and we'll send one right out. Then we ended the evening around the campfire. We had such a great meetup with Box Van Dee. Can't wait to run into her again soon.